Ladies, sometimes you got to take a little self-care, indulgent care for yourself. Just set aside that day that you care for yourself. So meantime, I'm talking to you. I'm going to have a piece of Christmas cake. Yes. Although I'm going to put on some pound this Xmas. This is Jamaican food cake. Jamaican love this when it coming on to the holiday seasons and birthday. Whatever occasion it is, Jamaican love this, yeah. It's nice. Ladies, sometimes you got to pamper yourself. Even if you don't know how to do makeup, one day on here I'll show you. I don't have to go to the makeup artist. My big sister taught me how to do makeup. Sometimes I do an overkill. For me, that's okay. But I try to tone it down a little. You may see me in this clothes. I'm at the people that work. I not carry no well of clothes come here. Gonna store up. That when me go on me. That when me I go on me have one big old bungle. Anyway, ladies, we work hard. I know every man I go treat you. I know every husband I go treat you the way you deserve. Go out there. Buy yourself something that you can look and say, yes, me treat myself to this, or me buy this. Self-care is a day when you care just about you that day. You don't take anyone with you. Some go and do their nails. Some go and get their hair fixed up. And get them foot pedicure. It's a long time I haven't taken a self-day. Self-reflection. Look how people treat you. Look what you accept and what you reject. Look what pleases you and what annoys. Tell yourself how you can deal with some situation differently from what you're doing now. I'm telling you this. Never forget who you are. Know your name. Some relationship, you forgot even your name. I never want to forget who Melody is. The time when I'm going to forget who Melody is, that's the time I'm going to feel like I'm losing myself. I'm not going to settle for something that's against my will. Some of we ladies, we settle too much for things that we don't deserve. We settle with the children. We settle with the husband. We settle with the partner. Ladies, it's time to have a self-reflection day. To look into yourself. I need to be treated this way. I'm expecting this way. And sometimes you're in the marriage, the husband now do the things them. You need to take care of yourself. You need to take care of yourself. And I'm telling you this. I've seen a lot of ladies have mental breakdown because a lot of time things are eating us alive. Eating us inside. We don't trust others to open up to them. And sometimes when you tell people your situation, then take it and use it as broomstick and I beat you with it. Then take it like broomstick and beat you. And then tell Tom, Them tell Dick and them also tell Harry about it. You don't want your business to be in everybody's house. So therefore, a lot of women are suffering silent. This is why I am saying to you today, please take a self-reflection, reflect and relax on yourself. Sometimes when a man talks to a woman in a certain particular way, I'm wondering if they don't have a sister. And I'm wondering if they didn't grow with a mother. Because when you talk down to a lady and browbeat a lady, it's not okay. It is not okay. You cannot talk to a woman like you want to talk to your child. And ladies, I'm expecting the same of you, not to talk to a man like how you talk to your child. But I am talking to the ladies especially today. Please, don't allow men to treat you less than you should. Stand up for what you believe in. Crave for what is right. Look. Open your eyes. Set your standard. Know what your expectations are. I've talked to a lot of ladies, and most of them are suffering, especially in marriage. The husband don't want them to go anywhere. If they go someplace to visit family member, them can't even visit their own parents. Men are doing this, and there are a lot more which I can outline to you, but I refuse to say it now, because when somebody confide in you to tell you their situation, you don't want to come out and blurt it out, and at the same time they're still in that situation, they are still in that scene. So I decide not to spit that part out. But some of these men, they are so dangerous against women, especially when you're married. And when marriage includes children, it's hard, it's tough. Especially in these foreign countries, you cannot just walk out on a marriage like that. They will hold it against you and say, you're still the child. And then they end up to get the children. And then you have to go through a lawyer, you have to go through a counselor. It's a process. It's not like, me not like something, I just get up and just walk out tight like this. It don't work. So there are steps that has to be taken. And it's tough what a lot of women are facing. And we ladies, we know how to play it well enough. We go to function, we go to church with our partner. I like to see that couple over there. They're a nice, loving couple. They're always together. That's the face. That's the front they show you. Behind the scene. Some of them are living with a narcissist behind the scene. They are living a nightmare behind the scene. They are not living any life behind the scene. I have seen it. And this is why I am telling you, ladies, have the day of self-reflection. When you're in a 124-year-old marriage, or 132-year-old marriage, and you're cornered, you have big children, this is not okay. Me already married for so long, and it come away from me left the relationship now. Even though I'm being physical abused, verbally abused, emotionally abused. Some of them man come here to kill you. Some of them now use them physical and kill you, but you see them out. They don't want ladies to talk what they're going through and what they're feeling. You know why? Because if I'm going through something and I tell you, they're going to look bad. And they want to paint themselves in the good picture at all times. So, one, they paint you to their family as you being talkative. So they are the one who first go and complain to their family about you. So when you have a problem and you tell the sister or you tell the mother, they don't value what you are saying at all. They don't value what you are saying. Them have you up as evil and as wicked and as terrible for their son. Why? Because the son already tell them, paint you bad to them. Which way? It's the other way around. You are the good person and they are the bad one. Because you won't allow their behavior in the relationship. You speak out against it. And sometimes when the burden gets so heavy, you have to tell somebody, this is what I'm going through. That if I should die in my sleep, I have a witness and I have a testimony. I've never seen so many Jamaican men who are behind the scene working to destroy women. And most of these men are Jamaican men. I'm not saying other nations or nationality don't do the same, you know. But I've seen a lot of narcissist Jamaican men and browbeating women. Women have no say-so. And I'm here to advocate for women today. Women, you have a say-so in every relationship. We agree to disagree. You tell me something and I disagree and you agree. Let us communicate. We agree to disagree. If you say something, I don't must agree with you. Me no must agree with you. And if I say it, you don't have to agree with me. But respect what I'm saying to you. Respect goes a long way. It's not you in this because you say so right or because I say so right. A lot of times I think I'm right and I'm wrong. And a lot of times you think you're right and you're wrong. You think he's right and he's wrong. So, we don't know it all. We stand corrected when we are wrong. But sometimes there's certain eye opener and you're trying to tell somebody to open their eye and they just hold steadfast in their way. But for this year, I tell myself one thing. I am not wasting my words. It's not worth it. It's not worth it to waste your words on somebody who can't understand your point of view. If you like what I'm sharing, ladies, especially for you, please like, please comment, please engage in the comment section and tell me, because I'll be coming with more to motivate you. Put on a little makeup. Sometimes you look a sad face. Put on a little makeup. Look at me. Yes, sometimes you have to do that. Beautify your little self. Polish your little inner beauty. Not only one person want to see you, but you want to shine and you want to look proper at all time. Put yourself together. Most time you see me, I'm at work. You see me? I'm at work. So, I don't take a lot of clothes here, although I live here. But the very little that I have, I like to mix and match it up. So I want you to take a self-reflection. As I said over and over again, you need to be treated good, pampered, respected. And ladies, respect the men them. And don't go on like you're the man in the relationship. So we need to stay humble. This is not to disrespect men. Men need to be respected because a lot of women, I want to come back on that topic. But this is for the ladies especially. I am talking to you. Thank you.